My name is David Polite. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Zick, Voss, Polite, Richardson, and Brinker in Washington, Missouri. And my specialties or primary practice areas are estate planning, wills and trusts, and everything that go along with them, and real estate and small business law. Since I was a teenager, becoming an attorney was in the back of my mind. I was not one of these people who's known they wanted to be an attorney or a this or a that since third grade. On the contrary, I went to school and I was a finance major, and I worked in a bank in St. Louis all through undergrad and all through undergrad, and thought that I might be a banker for my career. And then senior year of college, I started changing my mind and thinking I wouldn't want to be a banker for my career. And so now what was I going to do? And that's when I applied to law school. And I wanted to focus on the estate and business planning areas because that was more of the financial and financial planning area that I had more background in, with the banking background and the finance degree, et cetera. Helping my clients with understanding what they are doing. I try to put myself in my clients' shoes, and when they come in and sit down with me and they draft their documents, or we talk about this process or probate or trustees or really anything that comes up, I remind myself that they don't know anything about this stuff. And so I really try to explain it so that when they walk out the door, they know just as much as I do, or at least just as much as I can teach them in an hour, because I don't want them to leave the law office and say, gosh, we just left Dave Polite's office, we signed some documents, we have no idea what we just signed. And so I really try to make sure they understand what they're doing. I think my ability, as I just said, to empathize, if that's the word, or put myself in the client's shoes and make sure they know what they're doing. I have an easy time speaking with people, especially elderly people. I really enjoy working with them and talking with them. And I believe this estate planning area is a good fit for me, as I said earlier, with my background. And as I tell people, I believe I became a better lawyer 3 or 4 years ago when my own parents died and we administered their trusts. And I said, let me tell you what I did, or let me tell you how I handled that real estate issue or whatever. And so it gave me some real life examples to use. I would like them to know that I'm dedicated to the community. I'm married. I have 3 kids. They're 3 boys. They're 21 and 19 and 16, and they go to University of Missouri at Columbia. And I'm active in the community. I'm on a parish finance committee and a finance committee for the local Catholic high school. And I've been chairman of the YMCA board and the Lions Club. And I'm a member of a local bank board here, Bank of Washington. So I really try to get out there and be active in the community. And I would like for clients to know that they hire me. Well, first, number one, that if they hire me, I will do my best to return any blessings back to the community. But number two, because of my involvement, I know a lot of people. And so I also stress to the clients that certainly everything they say is confidential, and I'm not going to go and tell everybody at the Lions Club meeting about what John Smith's estate plan says.